fudge. I swear. Hey, let me bucket. So one bucket in there. No, I cook look of food, can I go give him. Give me a bucket for sit on pan. May I get the food, and may I cook it, and may I carry it, Lando, so. No, do, what you say? Come in, good. May I carry the food, go give him, but I say I don't want to deal with none of them. Something about so till the day to court, to write to court, may I go with him and next. After me done, my gone about my business, but something just not right to me. Something just pitching at me. Because this morning, when me did the attack with him, right? Guys, help me push up his score and I beg on some tabs. No, guys, one frown a day. Of course, mother help Lando. Of course, Lando would have helped me. Of course, you would have helped me. Of course, Lando. That's the reason why I'm there. You see, you did say it, You know, you did say it. You did say it. You say Lando would have helped you. Lando would have helped me. So that's the reason why I did it. But try know this. You see, when time you help somebody, then for make sure you know the truth. So you know exactly what you're doing. Or maybe you're not ready to tell me it. Yeah, but something not add up. Something not add up. Something not add up. Hey, wanna put on the peas? Alright, thank you. Making go feed meat. What happened to Lando? So him gone, the meat lock up in the house? Yes. When I go get the meat, I wanna go buy a box food, can I go give him and the rest I wanna just now go cook then. So somebody better get the meat because you know say today Sunday get it. Oh, but you can ask the police. Yeah. You ask the police. Me I go know. Maybe actually from him, we are gonna know. But you see what them are run with? How people believe that man there, Me don't know how people believe that man there. God know. Right? I don't know. Oh, everybody does so that just jump and listen to some foolishness, but I saw it go because social media this. Because I see the story where them I run with, I say, oh, him a gunman. No go so. Lando is no gunman. Lando no gunman. You understand me? I don't respond about Kim. I don't even know who name so. I don't want to hear nothing about nobody again. I don't want to hear nothing about nobody. I don't want to hear nothing about the baby mother anymore. I'm no business when nobody wants to on social media. I need to focus on myself. Guys, double tap on the screen. I don't want to hear nothing about the baby mother. I don't want to hear nothing. You know what them, you see what them I run with, guys? We're going to one rose. You see what them I run with? Especially the local stacker boy named Anthony. Right? The stacker one that is another ex. The handicap one named Anthony the stacker. You see when I walk I tell people say about Lando? Nothing at all no go so. Nothing at all no go so. You understand me? He's a madman and that man just walk a look cloud. You see me? Him now go stop. Him now go stop the palm me. I tell you that. You see everything. Who, no, me ask you a question. Who don't want to take that demand the life? You know she say that right now, people. Look here. Who don't want to take that? You know she say he's a madman that. A man a walk and tell people about Lando come and place. Yeah, at that time I look, Lando come and place. And all them come for taking life. And who the one really and truly, God and merciful no, take for him life. Right now, I'm afraid I'm like a puss. Lando don't even know which part of the dirty man they live. A lie I tell. You can't when people tell lie. You know see a lie that the man they tell, a lie man a tell, and nothing like that make Lando even they in a jail. You know see something that they look ugly looking man a look. Jesus Christ, I don't know me walk and go there with I'm looking at me, I don't know, But sometimes it's true when people tell me truth. A madman in a clean clothes, I go take up madman in a clean clothes. The man a look attention. The man a look at story, him not so right. No, him not righted. A man say him have to hide in him house because man come for him and he know a certain people. And me tell people say me send man for him, Me send man. So I was about him make me that they send man for him. How much things that people do me? Me I got to send man for him. How about him so? Me say the man wicked and lie. Me just sit down and see the look ugly, tough face man just a tell be a lie. And him not tell you the same man stop me, you know. No, he not tell when you not him a call down my phone. He not tell you the same man text down my phone where he not have a change the chip. He not tell you the same man stop my page. Him name Wilbert. Him have the fake page name Wilbert because him don't your fuck. Him only can type suck your mother. He don't go can type Yamed. He don't go can type. He can't put nothing more in the comment section. Me I tell you no. You understand me? All boys are stuck and I'm gonna did listen to the man. Look how long me and the man left. No, talk it through, yeah, yeah. Look how long me and the man left. And the man come out and say, they're trying to take my life. They sent 3 men. And they sent 3 men to me. And it's Lando. And I'm scared. And the people they sit down and watch, they look up madman, so. Talk truth now. A big old tough skin man that to rotted one, not even pressure, you can't pressure that with 2 nails. So, for me get blamed for everything in life. Me not take on no more body. I'm not taking on no more body. Me take on the girl what day, yeah. Me have a girl yesterday on my life and me I beg people and me I say, guys, please go over there because she have her young baby. And me I tell the people them say, please, if you can shoot for her, please, like just give her something because you know, so when you have look a young baby, a man left you a young baby and them something, them, me feel it already. Me not lie. Me don't know about nobody else. But me feel it already when time me end up left baby father left me and baby. Right? Now look more here.
Yeah, lift up.
Yeah man, me circle you.
Alright, big up. Me send the thing in the air.
Alright, me check my inbox.
Alright, big up.
Alright, see you soon.
Yeah, big up.
No joke. Me the damn baby father left me, girl. Me remember days when baby father left me, 2 of my breasts them dry to back foot because me not get sufficient of things. Not even milk me could have feed. Me couldn't give me baby breast milk. Me remember days when baby father left me, not even breast milk me could have give my baby. You hear me tell you because me not eat right. So I look back on the whole thing and me I say, oh God, for she and this man come left her like Lando come left her like that. And so me look on it as a mother and me I say, you know what, make me see what me can do for Kim. You understand me? And our baby. Because, oh God, man, everybody would want to look at help in a them situation. Right? Mrs., to me, I just feel like more while people just mistaking me and they don't see me as a person where I've tried to help them, I go look for me away. Because yesterday, I don't know if I true the people them I talk, but I don't want to know if I true. I be a disrespect. You understand me? When I don't beg the people them fear yesterday, I not do it. I not do nothing for no clothes. I can't beg for myself. But just not beg the people them for help her. That's all. So she can buy something for her youth. You don't worry about me and help. You don't worry about me. I lie them did not tell. You don't worry about me and help. Here. No fight time when you look upon the book and judge the book. Not true. You don't worry about me and help, my love. You never give your son wrong. Give me son wrong for what? Hey, man, me tell you something, you know. Say if you're a woman and you're skin out your hole, you hear my son for take it whole of it. If you're a woman and you don't have no sense, you make a man dig out your hole and hey, the girl, that make me talk certain type of way, you know. Because if you're a woman and you easy make a man can do you anything, morning. You don't take it? And me look like me I secure your hole. Eh? So you tell me about my son for. My son a big man. And she a big woman. Don't come to look here. What me look like? I me look like a counselor for on the wall. I me look like a counselor for on a passageway. Eh? Even I make man use you know and abuse you. You not take it? A moment your sister certain focus. A moment your sister certain look at things not happen for you as a woman and you don't feel right. Now you supposed to know what to do. Don't come here, some man. Me not get no work for them job there, you know. Wanna fool your fudge. Black car, yeah, but moderator did a black car. Listen to me. You see this work. You see that birthday week. Yeah, on go vex. So no, not go like me because you see that week. Yeah, I enjoyment. I enjoy myself. I make sure say me look alright. Fix me ear. Put on look on nails and something. Me never put on no makeup. How long me know myself? I don't put on no makeup. Me go put on look on makeup. I go drink. I go make sure say that pressure you alright. And I go wine. Me look a waistline. Me want to see if me can touch me to a long time. Me no do not lie. Me I tell still, but yeah, me I say my head can go underneath my foot so like a young girl. Them a shape my body so. 40-year-old, me have to test it out. Yeah, adapt me up too. And next me I go make sure say me wear one bazier and my breast then come so up here so. Me want make sure say breast then touch me chin. You understand what me I say? Me want know say the breast them stiff. All if them not stiff, me want pretend say they stiff. So if the whole of my birthday, me just all about myself. Me don't want you about, me don't want nobody in my way. Me don't want nobody can stop me look at traffic. You understand? All if me not dance good, me I dance good. Remember when you drink, you know, you just look like you do it good, you know. So me just want to enjoy myself. That's it. Good morning. How is the morning? Hard life. Add me. Me no see you. Send me the request. Hey baby, what's up? Yo, like Mika tattoo. Me love Mika tattoo. And then give me gift already in my house and me can't pull it. That's one of the hardest thing. You ever see people can give a gift for her early? Me can't pull me gift. They say me never touch it, so me have one gift on the bed already. And one next one we then give me last night again. And me can't touch none of them. Mika tattoo sick, like literally. Me never did know say she not gonna put on a tattoo. When me see, me say Jesus. When Jay, where at food there? But that's why where at food. So all along if food is up on the fire in the same way.
Good morning.
Morning.
Your month starts today now.
Yeah, pray on
Your month starts today. You no need the one bag of knives at your head.
add me please.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah. Well
Me I
on
say
there.
your month start.
And I come if you feel say them a people, no for them I care about me on comment section. If you want me enjoy my earth strong, we go lock down comment section. We go lock down things.
So
When things
I'm just have come up
we
here
go
for tell you
lock
say you
it
see your
down. Me I go make sure those only can tune in the night there. That me I tell you from me have life and me have hope. Me I tell you the
That is
truth.
going
All I
to
wanna
be
go
a
there with me.
dance.
Hmm?
That is going to be a dance.
You know, so them say is I look at private settings and rate it and dinner. But me I tell you the truth, it does look like it's gonna be a party. There in all right, you're gonna be there in spirit, of course. As
My
so it I go go. And guys,
me
Anna go
just
did Anna me this moderator here come with me. So she, Anna tomorrow, you know, tomorrow you pack your bag. Your backpack.
tomorrow Monday. No?
So what the Monday?
Tomorrow for come up.
Oh yeah, we are roll out Monday. We have to roll out Monday. We have to roll out Monday. I have to roll up
Oh,
Monday. So yeah, if you are coming
yes,
Tuesday,
which by no, we can't talk about the half day. We did tell me Tuesday,
we're going to
but
talk
if you
about half
want
the
to come,
year. But yeah, me are on
yeah.
the road
But
tomorrow.
if
Me
for
are going to on the road
tomorrow,
tomorrow because guys, we're going to link up
if
with
for
D and
tomorrow,
D are going to
it
get
just
nails done. Yeah.
if for tomorrow, it just have to be tomorrow. Me have to go come tomorrow. Then me that glad for come tomorrow because right now me there home by myself and I am bored.
That company, yeah, look.
But you always my company. remember in a
Come, my
1, 2 o'clock
company,
at
come.
night.
Go with me, come. Yeah, me come.
Remember in
Yeah.
a 1, 2 o'clock at night I will call Annie answer me now. Remember say you got
Come.
me like that.
Listen to me now, girlie. Pack your bag, my love.
Before.
Why me
That's
do
the
you
school.
feel the energy there? I swear to you, this while ago, like me does I talk to you, and I literally me end up I feel that energy they say you like me bad. I swear to you. I swear to you. I get this energy off of you this while ago, see you like me, like genuinely like me. But you know, like a person when I rushing or nothing, you ain't just a make me be knowing said, Annie, I know you. Really no?
For
Yo,
real?
energy is that thing, yo. I swear to you. um Guys, listen to me. Hello, behave on yourself in the comment section. Hello, comment section, settle down. Why you not go to church? You the right and said, but that idiot smart here. But you there you send in my comment section. You not think you ever go to church? What you do here, so?
Oh, dog, come on. Oh, don't you come over. That's what I say to you. Yeah. What
That
am I
pastor
saying?
in a church tell me if you go to church. But pastor you there church, are you there on TikTok?
Kevin
Our
said chick way. Hey, you say them people are mixed up in a man.
sister Lana in a church.
And you make us a brawling.
You know, brawling.
Hello, sir, me can ask you one question.
Straightforward. You know, brawling. Oh, my
Sir,
brawling
me
with the
can ask
thing
you one
out.
question.
Oh.
What about why you ask me? Why you ask me just a brawling with 1,000 hot people over here?
Guys, I can feel your, like, me definitely just feel that. But nothing wrong with that. Something wrong with if I ask you, like, straight brawling out there if you
No,
like this.
nothing wrong with that.
If you
Me have to go
the
ask you. You have to go turn the question and ask you. Go turn the question and ask you the same thing too.
But the
Why
end
you
of the
energy what
day,
you feel about me?
what the energy me feel about,
Yeah.
hey, Zoe, come for this quick.
Yeah.
Come pick quick, mama. Give me a minute, me coming.
Mercy, mercy, God.
Mm.